it's hard to take. I've been waiting too long. It's been too long.
This man pulled a laptop in the desert that you'd have to pay me for to go to, TBH, except for you was kind of lit, low key. But they don't stream it. Pulled up with a laptop and started watching memes for at least 10 minutes of his set, which is crazy. He does the talking. Things with concerts is a lot of talking between DJ set. DJ's DJ. You might get some, put your hands up. That was a European saying that. But it's none of these start and stop joints. When you say, oh, what a lovely faces, lovely faces. But I guess you do have a person singing the whole time. So I kind of get it. Ricker and Bond in the daylight, not at night. Just Ricker. Texted Bond yesterday a meme, a Shimza and Afrojack, which is a white man and a black man. They were hugging, and whenever there's a white man and a black man together in a photo or a video, you take a screenshot and you say, new Ricker and Bond. It's a funny meme joke. Sent that to him last night. He responded pretty late, I believe, too. Let me see the direct time was 9:29. Texts are going green, and you know we're iPhone over here. And got him on Find My, got him on Find My, closer than me than he should be, and a little phone up. So maybe he's going crazy, brazy. Take a shot at Henny. We'll get a Bond Jet update next week, I suppose. We had some good juicy stuff at the beginning. Coachella. Can't really talk about Coachella now, but main thing was Bieber. Brought out McGee. Brought out Dijon. Pretty sick. I at Bieber too. Two musically inclined friends. Oh, bring out McGee, coward, is what I texted. He did it. Ended Coachella day fucking freaking two. McGee did. Freaking blaring the strings and their fireworks. And another thing I wanted to do was that their YouTube content was kind of going nice. Little YouTube clips catching wind. I'll have to bring this up again if Bond Jen is indeed alive next episode, but accidentally race baited. Sorry about that. We were talking about white face and black face, but someone didn't like me saying white face. But I was talking specifically about your Snoop Dogg and your Chappelle white faces. I won't read it now because it's more fun if Bond Jen's here. But we were called goofballs for talking about blackface, saying whiteface. And then I got some nice traction on a meta clip. So a nice little YouTube stuff going on. YouTube, Ricker and Bond, subscribe. If you're listening to this, you can see the video. If you're not eating lunch and dinner or transiting to your European workplace, you can watch Ricker and Bond